So check out my toolbox from the inside. So this is how my toolbox looks like, and I ended up getting one of these trays for the sockets so that I can put them in. And right now, this is how my toolbox looks like. It's a huge mess, and I can't wait to start using my tray so I can organize my sockets, which is going to be really fun. And yeah, so check it out. Just let me organize everything, let me put all my sockets together, and let me show you how my sockets looks all nice and organized. Okay, so check it out, guys. This is how it looks like with all my sockets nice and organized. As you can see, I have all my SAE and all my metric on separate sides, and you can tell also by the extra stuff that are right here, just all messed. These are all my extra sockets, which I already have here. Which what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, I'm gonna empty those out, and I'm just gonna I guess sell them, or I guess do another set of tools so that I can carry with me everywhere I need to go. But yeah, that's how it looks like, and I can't wait to make this toolbox more organized and more neat. And I'm definitely gonna do more organizing on this toolbox. As you can tell, I just barely got a snap-on toolbox, tool cart. It's really cool, as you can see. I've only had it for like a month, or like a couple of weeks. As you can see, my tool cart is not that full. It's pretty empty, but I do have the essentials. I got my Allen keys. I got my bits right here. It has like 100 of them. I got my stubby ratchet that you could change. Let's see, let me put this back together. Right, it's excellent, nice, and you can tell I got some snap-on tool right here. Can't wait to have more of my collection of snap-on. Pretty excited. I'm gonna show you a little bit more stuff of what I have. I got some ratchets, some wrenches right here, and my wrenches are as you can see, all nice and organized. I would like to have some snap-on wrenches. You know, some of these are just basically passed down, from generation to generation. My dad used to have these tools, so he basically gave them to me now. Some of these tools are pretty old, and they're taken, I guess some of these are taken pretty good care of, as you can tell. And you see, I got some more stuff here, but that's just other stuff that I have there. And as you can see, it's still empty. I mean, I don't have that many tools yet. Oh, but my multimeter's right there. All right. I basically use this multimeter right here a lot for measuring, you know, voltage, amperage, current, you know, ohms and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I haven't got any power tools yet, but I will, and I will keep making more videos on me adding more stuff to this cart, or this toolbox. I already got myself a mask, painting mask, which is pretty cool. You check on my video, me wearing this. I have a video of me painting one of the wings of an aircraft. You guys should check it out. And I'm wearing this right here. Pretty cool. Yeah, like I said, it's pretty empty right now. I guess that's all I have for now, but I will have more stuff. And like I said, I'm gonna just keep organizing my cart right here, my toolbox, and keep it all nice and neat. So basically these other sockets that I have, I'm gonna just take them home, I guess, because I don't have any use for them here, since I already have all the sockets that I need. I don't know if I told you about my universal socket, but this one's really cool. And I was thinking about making a video out of it. Sorry about the loud noise. I actually work right here on a hangar on the airport, and it's pretty loud sometimes. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.